Java full stack developer. Let's applaud him. He's one of my sincere students. Actually, I scolded him. I would say. Okay. So just he want to share his experience. How many rounds of interview was there? So what questions they asked? Okay. So first of all, Mangarak Sarsha. So. First in technical round. So in exam written test questions they ask. They only ask one coding question. The meaning of aptitude, English. So coding question they ask. It was like got any number. We have that. Program that covered by our IQ ma'am, Yamuna ma'am. Is the syllabus is covered or not? After the Java 8, Java 8, meaning inputs concept, volume of So they have all done Java 8 features. So functional interface, lambda expression. So they ask for a program also on that. Okay. Then they ask questions on manual testing concepts. So then apart from that, any communication norm was there, anything like that. Only this. So how much time it took to complete all this one? Actually, mail got November. I have written exam on November. I have got result on November 9. And interview date was November 18. And now the interview result is 23 November. Okay. So when is the joining date? Yeah. Very good. They ask the same question, so nothing which asked. Okay, so exams are useful in the yes, so presentation classes, are they useful or not? Any advice you want to give to the other people who are trying Let's try to apply with these and all. Just don't go over the what you means. Me, AI, or right? Yeah. They lost the basic. So one thing I want to tell about is, whenever I ask to give seminars, he will never say no. So except yesterday. So till now, what I have observed is, so he will never say no. Whenever I ask to give any seminar, he will come here. So he will very neatly explain. So that is what he is given the confidence of answering in interview. Very clear. Okay, very good.
Sir, what's the company name, sir?
So they are asking. Publicis Sapient.
Sorry?
Sapient. Publicis Sapient.
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 Sapiens. Congrats.